Welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk in Salem, Oregon. Right now we're going to look at cycle gear, good stuff for motorcycles. Well, let's go straight on in and take a look. See if they got any hours posted. No, but they will be down in the descriptions once I can find. Let's see what good things they have. Need a helmet? Right off the bat. Helmet safety. Always number one when you're riding a motorcycle. And they have plenty of different cool ones. Even if you like pink or red. Wow. If you can't find a helmet here, I don't know where you could find a helmet. Here you go. Even red, white, and blue. Lone Star. Padded armor. Now, some of this you want to wear even if you're riding normal pedal bikes. Especially if you get older. Yeah, some warm jackets. Ramps. You want bike ramps? There's this place. Unless you're loading up a lot of them, and then I would suggest you go to Harbor Freight. Just for a saving, but everything else, either here or the Honda shop if it's a motor part for a Honda. Gloves too. Goggles. Knee pads. Lots and lots of clothes in lots and lots of sizes. Bike racks, or should I say motorcycle racks? I'm sorry if I offended anybody. There you go, saddlebags. Do you guys call them anything else? Let's see. Nope, still called saddlebags. Only remember using saddlebags on horses when I was growing up. Now they're for everything. I'm just recording for Willis Talk on YouTube channel. Sweet, yeah. Check us out. Oh, sure. It has a lot of Salem and other interests. What's it called? Willis Talk. Like Willis, the name, and then Talk? Yep. Okay, cool, yeah. YouTube? Look at all. Yes. Okay, they are very helpful here too. That was a store employee. And then if you're running low on oil, or let's see what else we got. It's like a little automotive department. Now this is full service. I'll tell you that. This is the first actual motorcycle place I've been into for a while. But this is a nice little shop with a lot of goods on it. A lot of tires that you could use if need be. Chains. Straps. Good selection of different kinds of tools and parts. They even got boots and a whole mess of other biker coats, jackets, pants. Probably even have some suits here, I bet you. Grips, batteries. So you don't have to go down to Les Schwab or someplace. You can come here and get a battery and get some other goods for your bike. Then you're going to have spare nuts and bolts if you need it. gears, rear mirrors. I might actually get one for my pedal bike. That's a pretty good mirror. And they even have brake pads. Check that out. Well, let's take a quick gander at the boots and the rest of the clothes as we head up to the top. In case people are wondering about the average sizes, they have size 10, 12, 11, 9, 8.5. Looks like that's, yeah, they got a lot of sizes. Even size 13 too. So you don't have to worry about, oh, do they have it in my size? I'm quite sure that if they don't right now, they possibly could. Pink shoe to go with the pink helmet. All you need is a pink jacket. Ah, chaps. Or chaps. How would you say that? Chaps or chaps? Everybody has their own way, like tomato, tomato, potato, potato. And look at there, you don't even have to turn around and just guess at your size or try it on outside. They have a dressing room that you can try on. And it's even got a reminder of social distancing on it. Well, that covers this episode of Willis Talk. I hope that you enjoy, and if you need any bike, motorcycle needs, that you stop on in here and grab what you need. This is Willis signing off.